Welcome back to Autocar 024, the 2025 Jaguar Mark II sedan, a classic that has been reimagined for modern drivers. This vehicle effortlessly blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. The exterior design is striking, featuring a sleek silhouette with smooth curves that pay homage to its heritage. The front end showcases Jaguar's iconic grille and sharp LED headlights, which give it a distinctive and aggressive stance. The use of high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail truly make this sedan stand out on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Mark II offers impressive performance. It's powered by a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering around 250 horsepower and 270 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures seamless gear shifts and enhances fuel efficiency. The Mark II offers an exhilarating driving experience, with agile handling and responsive steering, making it a joy to drive on both winding roads and city streets. The optional all-wheel drive system adds confidence, especially in challenging weather conditions. Inside, the Jaguar Mark II boasts a luxurious and refined cabin. Premium materials, including leather upholstery and genuine wood accents, create an inviting atmosphere. The front seats are exceptionally comfortable, providing ample support for long journeys. The dashboard is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring that you stay connected on the go. The sound system is top-notch, delivering crystal-clear audio for an enhanced driving experience. Space is another highlight of the Mark II, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. It comfortably accommodates 5 adults. The trunk space is also generous, making it practical for daily use or weekend getaways. Now, let's discuss pricing. The 2025 Jaguar Mark II starts at around $45,000, which is competitive for a luxury sedan. Depending on the trim and additional features, the price can go up to $60,000, considering its combination of style, performance, and luxury. The Mark II offers great value for those seeking an upscale driving experience. Overall, the 2025 Jaguar Mark II is a remarkable sedan that captures the essence of luxury while delivering outstanding performance. It's a perfect choice for anyone who appreciates classic design with modern features. If you're in the market for a stylish and dynamic sedan, the Mark II deserves your attention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.